luxurious queens, welcome back to Life with Lokie. Hands up, any of you hate to fold your notes. Well, I have found the perfect wallet, and today I would love to share with you my very first Hermes wallet, which is none other than the Bearn Soufflet wallet in my favoriteest color. So hang in there and keep on watching. For those of you new here and love luxury unboxings, reviews and chit chats, you've come to the right place. I hope you subscribe and join my corner and hit that bell to get updated whenever I upload new videos. And of course, for my returning subbies, thank you for sticking around. Welcome back, and today I will be doing another unboxing video. As you know, I've had this Louis Vuitton long wallet for about 10 years now. And I really love it and love how functional and practical this piece is. But I was thinking how nice it would be to have my first Hermes wallet. In fact, I've done a review of this Louis Vuitton long wallet, and I will link the video up here and down in the description section below. Long story short, let's do the unboxing already. Well, I scored this beautiful piece in the reseller market, which was a fraction of the original price, so it was a no-brainer to just give it a go and test out this small leather good to see if it works for me. I know you're probably already guessing the color, but I love this color combination, and I think it will last me a long time. So let's go. Oh yes, so this is the item, and it came like that in the box. Also, it came with the receipt. Somehow the seller kept the receipt, and she kept this piece really well. And there you go. Yeah, I was quite impressed with how she actually kept everything. Ta-da! So, and this is in pristine condition. Introducing to you my gorgeous and very first Hermes Bearn Soufflet wallet in gold color with gold hardware in epsom leather, and it is absolutely stunning. Well, why I feel this wallet is a level up from my Louis Vuitton long wallet is that it has the ability to hold coins, and let me show you. So that's this coin compartment as compared to this one, right? And it has the ability to hold a phone within the wallet, which is this part here. So for me, I love long wallets and keeping my notes straight. But the hassle of the Louis Vuitton long wallet only has room for notes and cards, and it lacks a coin compartment. So using this wallet would mean that I have to bring a separate coin pouch around. Now, this gorgeous Bearn Soufflet wallet has a zippered coin compartment here, which I find so useful, and a larger compartment with a width allowance of 1 centimeter, which also means it can fit my phone. Initially, I was tossed between the Jiggy wallet and this, but I really love the little gold hardware peeking through. Now, the beauty of this wallet is that this 1 centimeter width, which can be expanded, gives me the possibility of storing about 100 pieces of notes, or I can just flatten it if I haven't got much to store. In addition, there are 5 credit card slots. They are still tight and not overstretched, and there are more slip pockets which are behind here to keep like receipts. So there is just 1 and 2 plus the extra large compartment there, and also another slip pocket behind the zippered compartment. So as this is a pre-loved wallet, I am pretty impressed that the credit card slots are still tight and not overstretched. In addition, there are so many slip pockets and whatnot, so you should find the Hermes Paris hot stamp on this portion here, and if I'm not wrong, the date stamp should be found inside on the leather part there. So for wallets, which is an everyday item, I find epsom leather the best choice for a wallet, as it is an embossed leather and it is pretty rigid to start with to give the wallet its shape and structure. The compressed type of leather holds true to its shape for many years in all instances, and it is resilient to scratches and dirt, which makes it so easy to care for. So now we will look at the close-ups. Okay, so let's look at the wallet close up. So this is my Hermes Bearn Soufflet wallet. That's my older Louis Vuitton long wallet. I will just put the dimensions up on screen here for your reference. And so now let's just focus on this Bearn wallet. This is made in, it's gold on gold, so gold color leather on gold hardware with contrast stitching, and you can see that this is Epsom leather. So this is not a brand new wallet, there has been some wear to it, so you can look at the stitchings, there's some wear going on around these sides. Also on the hardware, slight tarnish around the corners there, and of course at the pointed tip over there. Okay, but just let's look at the features of this wallet. So it's a little bit hard to undo with one hand. Otherwise, so the zippered compartment is on one side, and so let's have a look. You can see that there is this Hermes word on the zipper, and that's only on the one side. Okay, and so this you can actually put quite a lot of coins, because this is actually extendable on one side, and there is a flap pocket here, a patch pocket that goes all the way in, so there's one extra pocket there. Now on the other side, this is the fun bit, because this is the part where you can actually extend the wallet to about 1 centimeter in width. So this is where you can put your phone if you have something thick or something substantial to carry around. And the Hermes hot stamping will be on this flap here. So that's another slip pocket, and that's another slip pocket. In terms of the cards, there are 5 slots, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so that's pretty much the features of this wallet. Also, another thing to note is there's this H at the end of the zip, so that is characteristic of an Hermes item, and so that's the wallet by itself. Now if we compare it to the Louis Vuitton wallet, so let's just open that. Slightly different, this one is more 2D, I would say, whereas this gives you the option of having that, you can put a phone right there. This is absolutely flat, so basically you have to just slot your things through, like cards or receipts, something. You can't put a phone in here. All right, there are 6 credit card slots, so that's the nice thing about it. However, I do find that with many years of wear with this credit card, it does scratch up the coated canvas on the adjacent side. There you go. And there's this flap pocket here with a patch pocket there. I always put my everyday credit cards or in the slot here, so there's just, but I do find that this slot gets looser with time, so you can see it's already bulging out, so sometimes the card does slip out quite easily. So this is the one from Louis Vuitton. Edges are still really pristine somehow. Okay, so that's my Louis Vuitton wallet. Right, there you go. Hope this close-up helps. I actually enjoy using pre-loved wallets because I get to test it out before I really decide if it's worth getting the brand new one. Yeah, so that's the 2 wallets in comparison. I will also put the weight of the wallets somewhere on screen here. That's to help you out if you also want to test out the Hermes Bearn Soufflet wallet just like myself. Ultimately, I really love this gem of a find and cannot wait to put more wear into this wallet and probably give it another decade of life. Hopefully, I can give you a good review at some stage if this wallet is a yay or a nay for me. Thank you for joining me in this short video unboxing of my first Hermes wallet. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and of course hit that like button and the bell to stay connected. If you have any questions about this wallet or already have this wallet and want to share your experience and reviews, do leave them in the comment section below. Of course, any future video suggestions will be well appreciated, so drop them in the comment section below as well. Take care and goodbye, queens.